In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a fake Google Business review. If you've received a bad review on your Google Business profile, the first thing to know is that you usually cannot delete the review yourself directly. Google controls review removals, and a review will only be taken down if it clearly violates Google's prohibited content policies. That's an important distinction because a review being negative does not automatically mean it qualifies for removal. To get started, go to your Google Business listing through Google Search. Once you're there, locate the review you want to deal with and review it carefully before taking action. You want to check whether it includes things like spam, profanity, harassment, fake engagement, or a conflict of interest. These are the kinds of issues that may make the review eligible for removal under Google's policies. If the review appears to violate those rules, you can flag it for removal. This is the official way to report the review to Google for review. Keep in mind that Google will make the final decision, so it helps to be objective and make sure the content truly falls under one of the prohibited categories. Simply disagreeing with the review or feeling that it is unfair is usually not enough on its own. If Google does not remove the review after it has been flagged, you may still have the option to appeal the decision. This can be useful if you believe the review clearly breaks policy and may have been overlooked the first time. When appealing, it's best to stay focused on the policy violation itself rather than the emotional impact of the review. There is also another route worth considering. If the review was posted by a real customer, but the issue could be resolved, you can request that the customer edit or delete their review. In some cases, a polite and professional response can encourage the reviewer to update their feedback. This approach is especially helpful when the review does not violate Google's policies, but still affects your business reputation. The key takeaway here is that fake or inappropriate reviews can sometimes be removed, but only when they break Google's rules. So before doing anything, start by checking the review against Google's prohibited content policies, then report it if it qualifies, appeal if necessary, and consider reaching out to the customer if that makes sense for the situation. That's how to handle a fake Google Business review in a way that aligns with Google's process and gives you the best chance of getting the issue resolved.